Got it?
Yes, I got it.
I just returned home. Timestamp on video. After for the second day against ADA compliance, had to walk to Tulare Police Department to file multiple employee complaints and criminal complaints. After calling yesterday to try to have an officer come by the house to take the complaints. After yesterday, calling Tulare Police Department to find out how much it costed for video, for body cam footage, and public records requests such as police reports and others. I was told that they would only release them under court subpoena. Hear that, Chief? That one's on you. Yesterday, denied. Officer did not show up to the house. After I went to request an officer come to the house because I did not have enough oxygen to stay there and wait. Ran out of oxygen on the way home, passed out several times, waking up in puddles of sweat. Today I had plenty of oxygen, thanks to my supplier who rushed an order to me. The lieutenant who violated my Fourth Amendment right and deprived me of my rights under color of law came out to take the complaints. One of the complaints is to be filed against him. He cannot take complaints. He is now a public official who is now being complained upon trying to take his own complaint. Hear that, Chief? That one's on you. Went round and round and roundabout, trying to push off papers to fill out. And as you can see in my state, the only thing I have working is my brain. The rest of me has shut down. That one's on you, Chief. You, City Manager. You, Mayor. And you, City Council. Following the fiasco at the police department, after 15 minutes, and then 15 minutes of absolute horseshit from a guy who does not deserve to wear a badge and a gun, because he cannot comprehend. No, I don't need paper. You do. You need to take notes. You need to record this. This is a matter of public record. And you can't do it, so send somebody else. Around and round. Do you want to take the papers? Do you want to take the papers? Do you want to take the papers? Told over and over and over and over again. I don't need the papers. You do. I said fine. Walk to the city manager's office and be told the city manager's not there. The supervisor of code enforcement, nice guy, has seemed to try to solve problems when others do not. Trying to save taxpayer dollars when others do not. told me the assistant city manager was there to take the complaints. I asked the city manager to record the events for public record. He said, I'm not going to record them. I don't have a camera. I said, you have a city issued phone. You can record it on that. Taxpayer dollars being used to produce a taxpayer job. He said he wasn't going to do it. I gave him the option to have one of the officers come from outside with a body camera, sit over in the corner to record the events. He said, quote unquote, I'm not going to tell my officers what to do. I'm going to take that as a refusal of service. You can stick that one in the bank. Against ADA complaints. And if you don't think I got an ADA case on top of everything else, oops. You know my name. You got my social security number. Under threat of arrest, you don't have it. You're not entitled to it under any circumstance. You know me. You know the events that transpired that led to this point. You caused this. The district attorney's office caused this. The public defender's office caused this. Juvenile delinquents, a morbidly obese 5-foot troll with no teeth in her mouth, ex-junkie, Karen caused this. I'm not playing your game no more. You're going to play mine. And I don't lose. I got the scars to prove it. End of communication.